Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about launching your own brand but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'm breaking it down step by step so you can build a brand that actually stands out. Title: How to build your own brand from scratch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future videos. First things first, why does your brand exist? This is a fundamental question that every business owner, entrepreneur, or team leader must ask themselves. It's not just about the products or services you offer, it's about the deeper reason behind your brand's existence. This is more than just making money. While profitability is essential for sustainability, your brand's purpose should transcend financial gains. It should resonate with your core values and the impact you want to make in the world. Your purpose is the heart of your brand. It's the driving force that motivates you and your team to push forward even when challenges arise. It's what sets you apart from competitors and creates a loyal customer base. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? Identifying the specific issue your brand addresses is crucial. This problem should be something that genuinely matters to you and your target audience. Maybe it's helping people eat healthier, making fashion more sustainable, or promoting eco-friendly practices. Your purpose could be about improving lives, fostering community, or driving innovation in your industry, or simplifying tech for beginners. Perhaps your goal is to make technology accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or expertise. The key is to find a purpose that aligns with your passion and expertise. Whatever it is, write it down. Documenting your purpose helps to clarify your vision and keeps you focused. It serves as a constant reminder of why you started and where you want to go. This will guide everything else. Your purpose will influence your branding, marketing strategies, product development, and customer interactions. It's the foundation upon which you build your brand's identity and future growth. Next, who are you talking to? Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. Without a clear picture of who your target audience is, your efforts can easily go to waste. You can't market to everyone, and you shouldn't try. Instead, focus on a specific group of people who are most likely to benefit from your product or service. This is your ideal customer. Narrow down your ideal customer. What's their age? Are they young professionals just starting their careers, or are they seasoned experts looking for advanced solutions? Knowing their age can help tailor your message. What do they care about? Are they interested in innovation, sustainability, or perhaps cost-effectiveness? Understanding their priorities will help you connect on a deeper level. What social platforms do they use? Are they active on Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok? Knowing where they spend their time online allows you to reach them more effectively. The more specific you are, the easier it is to speak their language. When you understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors, you can craft messages that resonate and drive action. This specificity not only enhances engagement but also builds trust and loyalty over time. Before you launch, look around. Who are your competitors? What are they doing well? Where are they falling short? This isn't about copying, it's about finding your edge. Ask, what makes me different? That's your unique value. Lean into it. Now comes the fun part, naming your brand. Pick something memorable, easy to spell, and most importantly, available as a domain and social handle. And don't forget your tagline. It should capture what you do in one clear, catchy line. Your visuals are your brand's face. You'll need a logo, a color palette, fonts, and a consistent style. You can use tools like Canva, hire a designer, or even start with templates. Whatever you do, keep it clean, consistent, and professional. Your voice is how your brand sounds. Is it bold and confident, friendly and casual? This voice should show up in your social captions, emails, website, everywhere. Be consistent. That's how you build trust. This is your rulebook. Your brand style guide includes your logo rules, colors, fonts, voice, tone, all of it. It keeps everything aligned, especially when you start hiring or collaborating with others. Now take it online. Create a website. Shopify, Squarespace, or WordPress all work great. Then claim your social handles and start creating content where your audience hangs out. Consistency is key. You've built the foundation. Now promote it. Start with organic content. Maybe try paid ads. Collaborate with influencers. Tell your story, share your why, and give people a reason to care. Last, but definitely not least, deliver. Your branding means nothing if your product or service doesn't live up to the hype. Be consistent, be reliable, and always listen to your customers. That's how you grow. That's how you build your own brand from the ground up. We've covered everything from identifying your unique value proposition to leveraging social media for maximum impact. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Your brand is a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. If you found this helpful, drop a like and comment what kind of brand you're building. We love hearing your stories and seeing how you apply these strategies in real life. Your feedback helps us create even better content tailored to your needs. And as always, subscribe for more content like this. We're committed to bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and insights to help you succeed. By subscribing, you'll never miss an update and will always be in the loop with the newest trends and techniques. See you in the next one. Until then, keep pushing forward, stay inspired, and continue to build the brand of your dreams. Your journey is just beginning and we're excited to be a part of it. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon.